everyone, this is Cheryl again from Saladmaster here in Perth. And today I'm going to show you how to make Leche Flan or Crème caramel. The ingredients that we'll be using for this is 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, lemon or lime zest, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of carnation milk, and 12 egg yolks. Now let's start. I'm going to use my 9-inch skillet. I heated it up already. So I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of sugar. So we'll caramelize the sugar first. Now it's completely melted. Turn it off and we'll keep it aside for later. Okay, so let's do the eggs. So what I want is just the egg yolks. So what I'm going to do, I'll just do it like this. So just remove the egg white and I'll just get the yolk. Now let's put the rest of the ingredients. So 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, or you can use fresh milk if you want to. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Finally, I'll put lemon zest using cone number 1 of my Saladmaster machine. Whisk it. Okay, so this is the sugar that we set aside, and as you can see, it has already solidified. Now I'm going to put the mixture. I'm going to strain it. So I put some baking paper on the top and then elastic band to secure it so that the moisture during cooking will not go into our crème caramel. Now we're going to cook the Leche Flan or crème caramel. I'm going to use my electric oil core skillet. I put 2 cups of water. Now I'm going to heat up the water, put it at 100 degrees Celsius. And once it's boiling, I'm going to put that 9-inch skillet on top of this. Now after about 1 to 2 minutes, the water is hot already. I'm going to put my 9-inch skillet. In an ordinary Filipino way, we steam it. But in Saladmaster, you don't need a steamer because everything works like a steamer, an oven, a pressure cooker, a rice cooker, and a cookware all in one. So it's at 100 degrees Celsius and then the time is 40 minutes. That's it. Once you hear the clicking, turn it down to 95 degrees Celsius. Now after 40 minutes, this is how it looks like. Then we will take it out and set it aside to cool down. So once it cools down, you can put it in the fridge so you can serve it cold. So once it cools down, you just do this, go around with your knife, just so it's easy to be flipped. And then it's time to flip it over. Just put it like this, and then this is my crème caramel. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and please subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!